Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Norway. The capital of Norway is Oslo. It is famous for this particular prize of Nobel Peace Prize where it is given away during some years, and apart from Stockholm, Norway is also one country where this event is held. And this is very famous for standards of living as human development index is very high to Norway. Even it topped the human development index listing. So the standards of living based on this it got a good name in the whole world. And the government pension fund that this Norway government holds is the biggest in the whole world of compared to every other country. The constitution in Norway says that the head of the state of Norway is a monarch. So there is a constitutional monarchy in Norway, and the parliamentary democracy is also in place. It is a European country, in fact, the northernmost European country, we can say. And Arctic Circle passes through Norway, and this is a part of Scandinavian Peninsula. So Scandinavian Peninsula has got Norway along with Sweden and Finland. So these three countries make up Scandinavian Peninsula. We shall see that, and Norway is part of it. And Norway has got Scandinavian mountains from north to south. So all along its length there are mountain ranges. It is one of the highly mountainous countries in Europe. So Scandinavian mountains are present. It has got borders with Sweden, Finland, Russia, Denmark, UK and Iceland. In fact, Denmark, United Kingdom and Iceland have got maritime boundaries, no direct land boundary. They have maritime boundaries with Norway. But Finland, Sweden and Russia have got land boundaries with Norway. And Norway, apart from the mainland, it also has got under its ownership some island chains. So they are Svalbard Islands, which are we'll be seeing now in the map. And Antarctica has got three islands that belong to Norway. So that's how Norway has got even territories that are away from the mainland. Norway is famous for fjords. Fjords are those narrow inlets of sea in between steep cliffs. So if this is the inlet of a sea, there are cliffs over here, steep cliffs. A kind of valley containing this inlet of sea is called. So if this is a steep cliff or a hill, there is this inlet of sea in between these steep mountains or cliffs. So this is called a fjord. So Norway you can find so many fjords. And the northern lights or aurora borealis is an effect that is seen in Norway. That is a kind of green bluish color lighting in the sky. So this is observed from October to March and a major attraction of Norway. So aurora borealis can be witnessed in Norway. And there are some international things regarding Norway which brings significance to the country. They are: Norway is a member of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and it has got huge oil and gas reserves. So these reserves are present offshore in Norwegian Sea and North Sea. We shall locate them. And though Norway is a European country, it is not in European Union, but it is a member of EFTA, that is European Free Trade Association. So this is formed by 4 countries and one country is Norway. So it is a member of EFTA but not a member of European Union. And it is also a member of Arctic Council, and Arctic Circle passes through it. So it has also got some island chains in Arctic region. So this is a member of Arctic Council also. This has got a very prominent global role because it mediated between major issues of our world, that they are Israel and Palestine issue and Sri Lanka conflict, Afghan military action and Libya military action. So in these many international events or these many international actions it has taken part. So this has got a very significant global role. Now we shall see the basic outline of Norway and how it is located and the boundaries it makes and all. So Norway is a part of Scandinavian Peninsula. So this is how Norway somewhat looks like this, in this way. So we have got Sweden and Finland and Russia taking land borders with Norway. We shall see where they are located. So here is Sweden. So Sweden is present over here, and here is Finland, and here we have Russian border. So you can say Sweden, Finland and Russia, they are having direct land borders with Norway. So as we can now see that this is all Scandinavian part. or Scandinavian Peninsula, the one I'm drawing right now. So this is Scandinavian Peninsula, and this peninsula has got Norway, Sweden and Finland. So this is how Norway is present, and the countries with which it is having maritime borders are Denmark, United Kingdom and Iceland. We shall see where they are located, and here is Denmark. So Denmark is located somewhere over here. So it is not having land border but a sea border. So the sea that is present here is North Sea. So North Sea is giving this Denmark and Norway a border of sea, that is maritime border. And later it has got maritime border with United Kingdom. So UK is located somewhere over here. So here also it is all North Sea. So this is how maritime borders are with UK and Denmark. So this is UK. It has also got maritime border with Iceland. Iceland is further towards west here. So if we can consider this as Iceland, it has got maritime border with Iceland also. And here is Norwegian Sea. So Norwegian Sea is located here and North Sea is located here. So it has got borders, land borders with Sweden, Finland and Russia, and maritime borders with Iceland, United Kingdom and Denmark. So these are the borders of Norway, and as I've told, it has got this mountain ranges called Scandinavian mountain ranges. So they are present all throughout the length and breadth of Norway. You can see so many mountains in Norway. It is famous for mountains, in fact. So all of these are Scandinavian mountains. So this is the northernmost country in the whole of Europe, and as I've told, there are two important seas, Norwegian Sea on the north of Norway and North Sea in between Denmark, UK and Norway. You can locate it here. So this is the basic mapping and so many facts about Norway, and thank you.